set.
Babe, how close are you?
Like an hour away. Why?
Because we just got our Simply Earth Essential Oil recipe box. Babe? Hello?
Hey, what's up everybody? My name's Brylan.
And I'm Lisa, and today we're
unboxing
the
Essential Earth Essential Oil.
The June Simply Earth Essential Oil recipe box!
So, it is that time of the month again. Wait a minute. This is my favorite time of the month when we unbox the Simply Earth Essential Oil recipe box.
And before we unbox it, we have a special code for you guys. If you use our code BNL20, you're gonna get a free Simply Earth $20 gift card. And you're also gonna get their big box, which is worth over $50 of essential oils.
Did we get it?
When you sign up for a Simply Earth Essential Oil Recipe Box subscription, so take advantage of that code, BNL20.
Shall I do the honors?
Yes, you shall.
Really? It's so beautiful.
Ooh, stickers!
Stickers! Oh, that's fun.
So I think these are for all the recipes. We have little labels, which is really cool. So our little sticker labels are for all our recipes that we can make with the ingredients in our box. The first recipe we can make is a relaxing clay scrub.
Okay, okay.
I like that. All natural sunscreen.
Okay.
That's pretty cool.
Wait, what are you trying to say?
That you burn like a lobster when you go in the sun.
Oh, okay, okay.
Blackheads banishing powder. Wow.
What are you trying to say?
Bug Be Gone spray. That's always
Okay.
nice, especially during the summer.
For sure.
Diffuser relaxing summer's day.
Okay.
Ooh,
Definitely use that one around here.
Yes. Bug bite relief lotion sticks.
Okay, that's actually, this sounds really cool. Okay, so we're going to do it randomly.
Oh, there's 4
Oh
oils.
my gosh. I saw it all. I saw
Babe!
everything. You know, I'll let you go first.
Really? Okay. The first one is called Bug Fighter. It's a blend of patchouli,
Oh, nice.
lemongrass, and cedarwood essential
my gosh.
oil. Oh, I love that.
Okay, I'm not even kidding. I'm not making this up. I promise you. Those are 3 of my favorite oils of all time.
Oh, I could just
Okay, give me
diffuse
some.
that too. That smells amazing.
Oh.
Way better than like some bug spray you buy at the
Yeah.
store that smells gross. This
Bugs
is
or
amazing.
not, that's going on my body.
Okay.
Next. Oh, sick. Tea tree.
We've been eating some tea tree. It's the basic oil. We need it. We're out.
Tea tree oil is essential for so many antibacterial and antimicrobial and all those things. This is an absolute essential oil. I went there.
Oh, lime.
Oh, that's cool.
That's really
Okay.
fun.
We have never had lime essential oil
No,
before, I have to admit.
I'm excited. Oh, it smells so
Let me see.
good. That's totally summery.
Oh man. You know what it smells like? It smells like a green popsicle. Next.
Oh, Mahorum.
Oh.
I've been wanting to try it.
Flower. Hold up. No, I gotta
I want to
You
smell
better
it
get
first.
it.
I want to smell it first. Ooh, that's nice. Oh, that's really
that
nice.
is really nice. Yeah.
I want to like spray that in our room. Like diffuse it, but
Oh,
then like
this-
use it as a room spray.
This would be excellent as a room spray.
Ooh.
So we got 2 little baggies. Zinc oxide. And
Kale and clay.
And kale and clay.
That's for our clay scrub.
Yep, that's for the scrubs. This zinc oxide I know for sure has sun
Oh yeah,
block
it's
protection.
for the sunscreen.
Yeah.
A natural sunscreen.
So this box is straight up summer ready.
Yes.
Right in the nick of time, right when summer's about to go full blast. You just get all the protection you need and you can smell good doing it. My favorite would probably have to be the Bug Fighter because it combines 3 of my favorite oils: patchouli, lemongrass, and cedarwood. So that's my favorite one.
Yeah. My favorite, okay, I love that one too. But I think my favorite is the Mahorum. I'm really excited to try that one.
Wow,
Yeah. So that is it for our June Simply Earth Essential Oil Recipe Box unboxing. We hope you guys enjoyed it. Also, if we haven't given you incentive enough to go check out Simply Earth, they also donate 13% of their proceeds to fight human trafficking, which is just awesome.
Totally awesome.
So again, our code BNL will get you a $20 Simply Earth gift card and a free big box that's worth over $50. So go check it out, sign up for a subscription, use our code, use our link, and you guys are gonna be just
blown away. Hey, so we hope you enjoyed this video. We love essential oils, and we want to hear which of these essential oils is your favorite down in the comments below.
Also, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. That way you'll be updated whenever we post a new video. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye!